Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Wonderskin Lip Oil Rehab, their lip treatment that supposedly heals dry lips, not just glosses them. So it is infused with plant oils, vitamin E, and peptides that are said to strengthen and restore the lips barrier. The brand claims it heals from within, leaving the lips plump and conditioned even after the shine fades. So I've been using it for a week straight, morning and night. The first thing I notice is it feels amazing, cushiony, light, and smells nice. It gives that same juicy look as the Noonie one, but feels slightly thicker in a good way. After a few days, my lips did feel softer and smoother, especially after being chapped. It's not a miracle overnight fix, but here there is a difference. My lips looked healthier and didn't peel as much as well. But there's just a few flaws that I found. Expensive for what it is. That's what this lip oil is for me. And then it also needs reapplication every few hours. It also doesn't fully replace a heavy duty balm. So if you're after hydration with a touch of care, it is a solid option. It's not just gloss, it does help over time. Is it glossy and mildly healing? Yes. Is it worth it if you don't mind the price? Yes. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.